Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. To access your employee discount through the McDonald's app, follow these steps. Verify that the email address associated with your McDonald's employment records matches the one you use for your McDonald's app account. Discrepancies between these emails can prevent the discount from appearing. Second, set up or update your app account. If you are a new user, you can download McDonald's app from your App Store or Play Store and register using the email address linked to your employment records. And for existing users, if your app account uses a different email, log out and create a new account with the correct email. Alternatively, update your existing account's email to match your employment records. Third, access the employee discount. Open the McDonald's app and navigate to Deals section. Locate the National Employee Discount offer and present the generated code at the checkout option to apply your discount. So, this is how you can get discount on McDonald's app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.